Let us make a Ketupat card for Hari Raya Idul Fitri. If you are not from Malaysia or Indonesia, then this design will be new for you. Ketupat is a staple food during celebrations like Ramadan, and it has many symbolic meanings including gratitude, unity, and togetherness. It is a rice cake prepared inside a diamond-shaped container made from woven palm leaf pouch. Rice is stuffed into these pouches and a bunch of pouches were immersed in water and it is allowed to boil for many hours. Hello there, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Craft. Let me first collect the supplies, which include quilling tools, tweezer, quilling board and quilling paper strips in mango yellow and parrot green color, glue and glue glue. You can also check the video description for the list of supplies. I use half strip of paper strips. Tear it with hands for a smoother finishing point. With a quilling slaughter tool, roll a coil and using 15 size circle in the Juya quilling board, I make a loose coil. I make more of these loose coils. Take one of the coil out with a tweezer and press it in the sides to make an eye or marquise shape. Apply glue to the end. Now rotate the shape and press it so that the sharp corners come to the center and squeeze the ends. This creates a rhombus-like shape. Now adjust it so it forms a square. Do the same for all the other coils to form square shapes. I do the same with the parrot green color paper strips also. Over the quilling board, I align them in alternate colors to form a 3x3 square block. Glue all the components only in the sides of the square. You can also use bell pins to secure the shape if needed. It is 100% optional though. Now I take a full green color paper strip, apply glue and adhere them to the sides of the 3x3 square we made. I wind it all around the shape some 2 to 3 times and leave a small extension at the end. Using a pair of scissors, I cut the extension at a small distance in a slanting manner. I adhere the cut-off piece beneath the square with glue. Now, using another small strip of green paper, I make a loop-like shape. Fix the loop shape using glue and cut off the excess strip. Let us now go to the card part. I take a 9 x 13.5 cm size white cardstock, position the Ketupat design on it. Join the loop shapes behind the Ketupat design. While joining the 3x3 square part, apply glue at different spots across the quill design. This avoids the quilling popping out. Adhere the other Ketupat also to the card. Take a white card base, add a green cardstock as matte layer. This layer is a little lesser in dimension than the card base. Then add the top layer which has the quilling elements on it. Adding a printed sentiment finishes the card. Hope you like this tutorial. Do watch my other videos also.